Stop on Yellow RVing. We got a new 2025 in. It's an all new Bunkhouse Murphy bed style camper. This is a J Feather Air. This is the 18 MBH model. It's kind of when you first walk in the door. It's a nice spacious layout. It is a smaller camper, single axle. But you get the Murphy bed, the couch, lots of windows in here. You get these nice pull down roller shades. Large refrigerator right here too. Pop that open. Fridge space. And you got your freezer down below. Make it easy for the kids to grab the popsicles. Over here you got a 2-burner cooktop. And then you've got a microwave down below. This is also an air fryer. So decent size. A little storage drawer right below. Good for your pans. Coming up top, you do have a 200-watt solar panel on here, standard. Good storage right above the range hood. That's all the Envision appliances too. A little pop-up sink here. So that pops up, and you've got your little fountain. So pretty cool. It's all one-piece metal basin too. You get all these nice rolled countertops. It's not T-molded or anything. You got storage right up top here too. And then storage below the sink. And this is removable if you did want to put like a trash can in there. Over here you got this nice kind of bar setup with storage below. It looks like this does flip up. Yep, so this flips up, and then you get some storage under here too, which is nice. And it's held down, it's got magnets in it. You get the bar stools there. Over top you've got your Sansui Smart TV. Very big picture window right in your living space here too. Then it is a roof mounted AC up top. Get some storage over here. Outlets and USBs. Then you've got large storage space right here, and these are removable shelves too. And then lots of drawers. And this is pretty big, deep drawer. Looking over this way, you've got your converter here, so your circuits and breakers. And you've got your bunk. Looks like you got a couple more of those little bar stools there too. Store them easily under your bunk mat. And then good thickness to these bunk mats. And there's lights in both of them. And looks like you've got outlets up top in this one, little storage cubby. And then you've also got outlets down in here. Taking a look at the bathroom, you've got your foot flush toilet and pretty large shower for a unit of this size. Looking up, you got the skylight, you get this nice shower surround, and the matte black finish on your faucet. And you've got the shade or shower curtain, whichever you'd like to call it. Your sink, another undermounted sink there, storage below. Toilet paper holder, and then some more storage right there, as well as storage right up over here. Then you do have medicine cabinet area, and then there's also a vent fan in the bathroom. Another pan through here. I can show you the master bed as well. So it's a Murphy bed, and you got some storage under it. Looks like there's a foldable table under there that you can pull out. Very lightweight too. Oh, so it's more like the TV tray tables. Set that back in there. Then you got storage under here. And the nice vinyl finish for your Murphy, or your jackknife sofa I should say. Then you do get the cup holder armrest in the middle. I'll try setting you guys down, see if I can show you the Murphy bed. Okay, now we're set up. So to drop your Murphy bed, all you got to do is go like that. There's just a small hinge right over here. So you pull that. Then your mattress will just flip right down. Looks like the slide out can close with the Murphy bed down too, if you didn't want to have to put it down for any reason, or put it back up if you are traveling with it. Then once you're done, just pick it up like that. That clicks in, and couch just goes back to the normal position. Pick you guys back up here. And you have storage right over here. So you've got hanging bar, removable shelf. Then you've got outlets down here. And there's also USB chargers. I think this is one of those new sliding storage systems. Yep, so you get the sliding storage right there. And then same thing on the other side over here. So you get that sliding storage. Looks like there's lights down here too, as well as more outlets. You've got your closet area there. You got two hooks right here. There is also a vent fan right here. So good vent fan right in your living space. Another pan back through here. All right, let's go check out some of the outside. So this unit comes in at 23 feet overall and your 4,480 pounds dry weight. Panning back over here. So nice smaller unit. Easy half-ton towable. Jayco Climate Shield on it too, so it's rated from 0 to 100 degrees with the enclosed underbelly. Then you do have the Asdel on the interior and exterior wall, so it takes the need for Luan out of your sidewall. There's also a step light right here too, just kind of hard to see in the middle of the day. This is going to be on the Goodyear Endurance tires, size 15. This is going to be your freshwater fill right here. Then spot to hook up an outside TV with the outlets and cable output. You do have a big LED light strip power awning that runs the entire length of it just about. Checking out over here. You have a large pass-through storage with lights in here too, and then a battery disconnect on the other side. Prep for side view cameras, and you do have the nice rock solid stabilizers on it, which is better than the old scissor jack style. Coming towards the front, nice sleek looking profile. You got this nice diamond plate on it right here too, and these blue LED docking lights. And then it's all an integrated A-frame. This is going to pass your first, your A-frame is going to pass your first I-beam there, making a nice strong solid foundation. And then you do have a spot to load up 2, maybe even 3 batteries on the front. 2 20-pound propane bottles. And then your power tongue jack here. So that's always nice. Fan to the side. It does have one small slide out on it. Coming over here, you do have your Furrion on-demand hot water heater, 60,000 BTU, 30 amp power cord connection. That's going to be your city water fill right there. And then looking at your dump station there, there's your offshoot for your gray and your black tank. And then you do have the PVC pipe to hold your sewer hose. Right over here, this is going to be another storage spot. And then panning towards the back of it, you've got this nice oversized ladder here. It's also good if you need to hang towels on or anything like that out to dry. It is 12 inches wide. And you've got all this nice LED lighting to make you nice and visible. And then your outside shower here. This will be for your black tank flush if you are dumping out your black tank. And then backup camera prep there. Another thing they're doing on the J-Feathers this year, you're going to get that 2x2 receiver on the back. For those of you that want to put a bike rack or something like that on there. Good overview of the outside. I'll take you back inside for one more walkthrough. And this has been the J-Feather Air 18 MBH Murphy bunkhouse. Nice smaller unit. You got the bunks, gives you plenty of space in here too. Your solar controller right here for your 200 watt panel up on the roof. Appreciate you guys watching the video today. It's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. I've got more videos on the way. Tell me what you thought down below. Leave me a like and subscribe. And my email's down in the description below. If you've got any questions on this unit or any campers in general. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.